Hi everyone, this is Gina. For this final step in the landing page build, I'm doing a quick walkthrough of the SEO meta setting inside the GoHighLevel. So at this point, the landing page is already built, mobile optimized, and fully functional. So this step is not about redesigning or changing anything. It's simply about making sure that the page is clean, publish ready, and professionally set up. Before publishing any landing page, I always do a final check of the SEO meta settings. Not to over optimize, but to make sure that the basics are in place and nothing important is missing. This is especially important when the page is already connected to calendars, workflows, and automations because once it goes live, everything downstream depends on it. So, inside the metadata panel, here's you can find it on the upper left side. It shows here SEO metadata. So, inside the SEO metadata panel, I'm only focusing on the core essentials, and that is the page title, description, and the author. So, these are the only fields that really matter for a single conversion focused landing page like this. I'm intentionally keeping this simple because this page is designed to convert visitors into book calls, not to rank as a long form blog post. You'll notice there are additional sections here like custom meta tag and the canonical links. And Go High Level shows orange suggestion icons next to them. So this is something that often confuses people. So I want to clarify it. Those fields are typically used for large or multi-page websites, duplicate content handling, advanced SEO configurations, custom schema or tracking overrides. So for a single Clarity Call landing page, these are not required. Leaving them empty is completely normal and is actually best practice in this situation. The orange icons, or rather, the orange icons are suggestions, not errors, and they do not prevent the page from being published. Once this page is published, the call to action button connects to the calendar. The calendar triggers the automations, lead flows into the pipeline, follow ups, and onboardings run automatically. So, this SEO step is simply the final polish before everything goes live. So, this step is about knowing what to set and what not to touch. You don't need to fill out every field or over optimize to look professional. Clean, structure, clear messaging, and a working system matter far more than an advanced SEO settings for a page like this. With that done, the landing page is ready to be published and used. Thanks for watching.